Woo-hoo. Hey, what's going on? Well, we're up here at my buddy JP's. I just bought this truck from down in, come from way down south, and we just had it delivered, just got it off the truck. We're real excited about it. One good thing, she cranked right up and ran, man. It cranked right up. Man, I'm thrilled about it. I mean, it's gonna have to have a little stuff like this right here. Maybe we'll have to replace that. And then this apron here. I mean, I've put that in before. It's got a little bit of suspension damage, but hey, it drove right off the trailer, man. I mean, you can't beat it. And I mean, right here, we'll have to put that piece in. But look at it. I mean, the hole up front, there's nothing. I mean, there's nothing damaged. It's got a little bit of damage right here. Maybe a little bit. This might buff out. But no, seriously, we'll get us a hood, we'll get us a fender. I mean, this door is good. I mean, it's got a little problem with the windshield, but it is nothing we can't work through. I mean, I'm pumped up. I mean, this truck has 25,000 miles on it. It's 3RD off-road. It's jet black. I think they call it Onyx or something like that, but it's just got just a little bit of damage. And we were thinking that we might just record it for y'all, and just the whole process from unloading today to the parts that we buy and put on it when we're cutting this stuff off, cleaning up the inside. We're going to give you the whole process, and then when we're done, we're going to break it down and tell you exactly to the penny what we got in it. So we're looking forward to that. Right now, let's just look it over here. 25,000 miles on this thing. It is a little bit dirty, just a little bit, just a tad. I mean, it's going to take a little cleaning, but you know, got a couple of warning messages on the radio. The air conditioner's really cold. Look at this. I mean, the biggest thing's a little bit of dirt and whatever this seashell of a thing. Hey man, we got a seashell in this thing. Look at that. This thing come from the beach. Look at that. This little guy is gonna ride along on the whole journey. He'll be here with us when it's done. Check it out. Sunroof. Let's see if it opens. Son, look at that. It's coming right open. So we got a sunroof. I didn't even know this thing had a sunroof. I knew that it was TRD off-road, but I talked to my buddy CC. He knows about them more than I do. But let's see what we got in the... Dude, look in there. There's a bunch of buried treasures in there. Check this out. We got a phone charger down here. Blind spot detection. I mean, this thing has got everything. It's got all the options. It might even have heated seats. It does. Heated seats. I guess we'll have to find a rear view mirror. But we've got this crawl setting. I don't know what that does. Maybe it'll crawl up a tree. I don't know. But back here in the back, I mean, just a little bit of dirt. I mean, not a lot. I'm just super excited about this thing. I mean, this side has no damage except the tire's flat. I mean, I'm super excited about this stuff. I love Toyotas anyway. Yeah, we just come up here without no tools or nothing. But honestly didn't know the truck was going to be here tonight. They just called and said, hey, we're going to be there in 15 minutes. So we just jumped in the truck and we come right up here. So son, look at this. Look at that. No damage whatsoever. So we're going to put this right inside here for safety. We did wind up with a little bit of damage down here. She broke the step off, but I mean, we can weld that back on maybe. Maybe not. Maybe we just take them off. Because we're probably going to try to lift it up if we can. then we might need some big steps. So let's see what we got in here. We got all kinds. Let's get this fender. This thing looks like. Oh God. Yeah, so that's a little bit of damage right there. But you know, we've got a couple of bolts here we can save. That's about all. Everything else on that one's gonna have to. We're gonna get a new fender from Toyota, and we'll get that all fixed up. Hey, I think this might have been off the one that hit him. So, I mean, this is all blue. Hey,
how's that tire look?
We got our tire in here. We got the grill. Let's get the grill out. The grill has seen better days. Lee Buick, Crestview, Florida. Check that out. We'll have to figure out where that goes. I have no idea. We just fixed one of these a couple of months ago. That was damaged in about the same place, so we should be a leg up on this one. We got one good fog light. Got a little bit of a broken wire right there. No problem, I can fix that right up. But we'll have to get this bumper. We'll have to get the grill. We'll have to get the fender. We got a tire in here. Check that out, so smooth. Let's see, this looks like it's been under the truck for a while, so it's been running on a spare, I think. I think they might have been off-roading. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, at least we got the wheel. The wheel looks good. So we could use all the factory wheels if that's what we want to do. I mean, we've got all kinds of options here. So what else is in here? So this is what we don't need. That probably fits like a Honda. I mean, if we were fixing a Honda, this right here is what we need. This could be, this don't fit this truck. Oh, we need this. Look at that. That's our cow pound cover. We can put that right back on. Here's our fender cover for the top side. Put that right back on. Look here, here's a colorful seat cover. So I don't know, I'm gonna give that to JP to go on his desk chair. Oh, what's this? Plus maybe some tie-down stuff. A light of some kind, I have no idea. What's this? Yeah, this is a Chrysler. Some kind of Chrysler. So I don't know, if anybody needs a Chrysler tail light, let me know. We ship it your way.
Subscribe, we'll give it away.
Got both the windshield wipers. That's good. Got 5,000 pine needles. So that's got a little bit of damage. Here's our jack and our jack handle. We've got all of that. Some more parts off the Chrysler. Looks like maybe this is a tie down. Maybe this thing goes in here somehow. Check it out. Can't ever have too much tie downs in the truck. There's your other windshield wiper. Oh, dude. Candy bar. Dark chocolate. Yeah, not gonna be eating that. This guy goes inside the fender. And then this is our crash bar. I was hoping that it was good, but it's got a little bit of damage. So at least we got our brackets. We got all of these. We got this bracket's good. This bracket's good. These two brackets are good. So we just have to get the crash bar and this bracket, and then the fender brace bracket for right here. It's a good deal. I mean, we about got the truck unloaded. I'm gonna hop up in here and see what else we got. Oh, look at here. Rear view mirror. We're gonna put that in the front for safekeeping. Our socks. They're orange. They're the right color. And this right here, it didn't damage too bad. So here's our jack. Here's our jack storage package and the fender liner. We'll probably get a new fender liner. I don't know what this is. Maybe this is a pull ring. Screws in up front somewhere. Not sure. But hey man, all in all, I think we made out like crazy on this truck. It's got a power sliding rear window. Got a power sunroof. Those two things I didn't even know it had when we bid on it. You know, really the only damage is contained up front. We got to do a little bit of paint work, just a little bit. And good thing about it, it's black, easy to match. I mean, just paint it, maybe buff the whole thing over. And dude, we're gonna have a truck that everybody around here is gonna be wanting. Hey, I see you back at the house, man. I'm gonna drive this thing home. You might all stay real close though.